My name is Ankit Jain. We are a family of 6 and I've been living here for the last 38 years, my family. And the house is actually built in 1952. So it's kind of a 70-year-old house and we are into exports of mica from Jharkhand. Because of an old house, the floor levels are not quite the usual 10 feet or 11 feet. It's about 14 feet from the ground floor to the first floor, and again 13 or 14 feet to the second floor. So it's kind of like 30 feet between the two floors. Obviously, climbing the floors, it's the height of each step is quite steep. Climbing the floor is quite a task. Was quite a task before the installation of the lift. Actually, my parents are aging. My mom is 70, my dad is 71. So, but the basic purpose was to make life easier for them. The second floor, where our kitchen is and the dining area is. So life has become very easy for everyone. Even the children, they are enjoying the lift like a toy. Obviously wanted to go for a home lift with single phase motors and not go for commercial lifts. In fact, I actually paid an advance to one of the companies for the installation and got the drawings for the commercial lift. But the kind of civil work it brought into, and we were actually thinking about whether the old house could sustain those kind of civil work and the structure which it needs. And after everything, even after paying the advance to one of the commercial production companies, we decided to go with Nibav. I mean, the whole aesthetics of the lift, the cylindrical view, the glass see-through. You can actually, from the ground floor, when we start, we can see the old house, the beauty of the old house entire through, going to the top floor, we can see everything. So that's, I think, the best part. And the ease of functioning is pretty much very simple. I think it's pretty safe because I have a son who's 5 years old and he's using the lift as we are. There's no issues with that. But absolutely safe to use to. I think my kids, everyone, my parents, my mother, who's not really profound with using such electronic gadget, but I think there's absolutely nothing, just a push of a button. So it's been already, I think, 3 months or 4 months of usage, and the usage has been pretty much, and we faced no difficulty with the usage and safety. Everything is just spot on. Since I've installed it, previously a lot of my relatives, even the in-laws, they are in Jaipur and a few of my in-laws are in Ramgarh in Jharkhand. They stopped coming to my house because, the stairs are so steep, so they find it difficult to climb the stairs. And after the installation, everybody's like, we want to see the lift, we want to come to your house and, just take a look at the lift. And a lot of people have seen the lift and everybody's just give it 5 stars, that it's a beautiful product by your company. It's been good so far.
Lift is very convenient for everybody, for the kids, for the elders. It's very convenient to use it. It's nice for our future.